So we have this array of integers. It has 8 elements, and we have to show the multiples of 7 in this array. So this question is very easy and you should be able to solve it. And I didn't know if I have to solve it or not, but maybe someone will benefit from it, so I decided to solve it. So basically we are going to iterate over the elements. So int I equals 0, I is less than the size, which is 8, and I plus plus. Now inside the array we will see if the element that we are at is a multiple of 7. We know that a multiple of 7 is divisible by 7. So if array sub I modulo 7 is equal to 0, this means that array sub I is a multiple of 7. So basically we will print array sub I. So it's an integer. Let's add a space and let's print array sub I. So this is the solution for our question, and let's build and run this. As you can see, we have 7, 14 and 21, and this is the correct answer. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.